I got my nails done. Can you see them? I went for my usual neutral tone, but then I went to a new nail place and she was like, well, since you're going where you going until I get there, she was like, why don't you add some like water and da 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 da. I was like, okay, that sounds like a nice idea. And then when I saw how much this reminded me of like sand on the beach, I was like, yeah, let's do it. So one hand is this marble color or design, and then the other hand this marble design. You see it? Now I came to Chick-fil-A to meet up with Lena so I can get some cups from her. I'm surprising everybody who is going on the trip with me with customized cups, and she came through for me last time with the LRTN cups, so of course I had to go back to the one and only Lena's Letter Shop.
This isn't even like fancy or anything. This is like...
It's okay, I'm not going. I like your, well, let me turn the camera. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hold on, there we go. So I told you guys that I wasn't going to tell you where I was going until I got there, and as you can see, it's the next morning. So I'm about to give y'all a quick tour of, not the room, because child, listen, my chance to get like a 360 view of the room where the bed was made up and everything. Just don't even worry about that. Just know that the room is nice. It is time. I charged my phone so we can play heads up, so. Okay. This door is so strong. Oh my gosh. What flavor is that?
I think it's pineapple. I didn't check.
You took a shot?
But it's good.
It's pretty good. It tastes like.
That's pretty good. Tastes like
But it's good.
It's another day, and we're going to the beach. Got my towel, got my water, got my phone. Yeah, I got my phone. Hold on, got that. But so far so good, man. I'm enjoying the vibes. Have you guessed where we are yet? No? Ready to get you? It is taco night. We got the peppers roasting, got the corn in the back, and chicken is almost done. Good morning. It is finally my birthday. I am not usually a morning person, but I don't know, maybe it's just the excitement of it being my birthday, but I couldn't sleep anymore. So I'm about to go back downstairs and join everybody for breakfast and see what they're up to before I get the day started. But yeah, so far I'm having a really good time on this trip. It's super peaceful out here and I'm loving it, man. So I'm optimistic that this day is going to be a good one as well. Got some poached eggs with a side of Uno this morning. Starting the day off right. No lie, it's something about this water that is so relaxing and so attractive and calming and soothing. Talking to my vlog. Yeah. Happy birthday to me. Wow. Look at the balloons.
Big aim to? This is discrimination?
Just know that if you just gave me a happy birthday, if it was a hug, a pat on the back, you just don't know what people are going through.
Yeah.
You don't know what the smallest things can do to encourage somebody to keep going, to wake up out of bed the next day. So thank you, and please enjoy, laugh, drink, be merry, and I hope you guys cherish this moment just as much as I do. don't want nobody on YouTube copyrighting the music, so let me step away from the song. Child. So it is seafood night here at the house. Technically, we're still celebrating my birthday. I just popped open a bottle of champagne, and I am excited. I saw some calamari. I see some baked salmon and clams casino. I see some other things in there. So I'm just over here chilling until it's time to get ready to eat. It's raining outside, and I wanted to get in the pool, but maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I'm really excited for seafood night. So let's take a look and see how it goes. Come on.
It better be a good wish. Don't blow yet. Make a damn good wish. On yourself. On yourself.